Hi guys, welcome to Unacademy KCET YouTube live session. Myself Sharif. In this particular video, we will discuss the PYQs of KCET and COMEDK on limits, continuity and differentiability part 3. Part 1 and part 2 we finished. We did 60 questions. Now today we will start with question number 61. Before I start guys, please subscribe and enable the bell icon so that you get the notification for all the classes. If you've already subscribed at the end of the video, please like and share my video. Let us start guys. Question number 61. You call this as equation 1. If I differentiate with respect to x, I'll use u into v. This is u into v dash plus v into u dash is equal to differentiation of e power x is e power x. Differentiation of e power minus x is minus e power minus x. If I differentiate once again, differentiating again with respect to x. Okay, first function is x, differentiation of y1 is y2 plus second function is y1 plus second function is y1 and differentiation of x is 1. Differentiation of y is y1 and on the right side you get a into e power x. E power minus x is minus e power minus x, so this is b e power minus x. So this is x into y2, x into y2 plus y1 is 2y1 is equal to this. If I use equation 1, from equation 1 the same as xy. So if I shift on the left side, x into y2 plus 2 into y1 minus xy is equal to 0. Answer is option A. Okay, question number 62. Function is continuous at 0. What should be the value of k? So limit x tends to 0. Limit x is tending to 0, f of x is equal to f of 0 because it's already continuous at 0. Now limit x is tending to 0, fx will be equal to 1 minus cos kx whole divided by x into sin x is equal to f of 0 is half. Now this fellow is 0 by 0 form. Okay, if I use L'Hopital's rule, limit x is tending to 0, differentiation of 1 is 0, differentiation of cos is minus sin. So this is equal to plus k sin kx. Alright, whole divided by, I'll again use u into v. First function is x, differentiation of sin x is cos x, plus second function of sin x, differentiation of x is 1, and that's equal to half. Okay, now if x is tending to 0, you will get differentiation of cos is minus sin. Again I'll get 0 by 0 form. Alright, again I'll get 0 by 0 form. So let us use L'Hopital's rule once again. Limit x tends to 0, k into differentiation of sin kx is k cos kx. Okay, and the denominator is u into v. First function is x, differentiation of cos is minus sin, plus second function is cos, and differentiation of x is 1, and differentiation of sin x is cos x is equal to 1 by 2. Now if x is tending to 0, you will get this as k square divided by this is 0, cos 0 1, cos 0 1, and that's equal to 1 by 2. K square by 2 is equal to half, 2 and 2 cancels. K is equal to plus minus 1. Okay, answer is option B. Right, let's move to question number 64. The right hand limit, the right and left hand limit of the function is 2020 question. Okay, now see actually a power infinity will be infinity if a is more than 1 and 0 if a is less than 1. Alright, let's say if you have 2 per infinity, you will get 2 into 2 into 2 and so on. So number is increasing, right? 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16, it is increasing. So 2 per infinity is infinity. Similarly 3 per infinity is 3 into 3 into 3 and so on. This number is increasing, you get infinity. But if you have suppose 1 by 2 per infinity, you will get 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, number is reducing, right? So this is equal to 0. 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 16 reduce close to 0. And when you multiply infinite number of times, it is 0. So 1 by 2 per infinity is 0. So similarly e per infinity will be infinity and e per minus infinity will be 0. Right now, if I take suppose left hand limit, this is limit h tends to 0 f of 0 minus h. Okay, I'll write here e per infinity will be equal to infinity, e per minus infinity is 0. Left hand limit is equal to limit h tends to 0 of f of 0 minus h. F of minus h is e to the power of minus h minus 1 by h minus 1, e per minus 1 by h plus 1. H is tending to 0, you get e per minus infinity minus 1, e per minus infinity plus 1. So this is 0 minus 1 by 0 plus 1, which is equal to minus 1. This is left hand limit. Okay, right hand limit is equal to limit h tends to 0 of f of 0 plus h. This is equal to limit h tends to 0 of f of h will be equal to e to the power of 1 by h minus 1 divided by e power 1 by h plus 1. Alright, now this can be written as limit h tends to 0 of e to the power of 1 by h into 1 minus e power minus 1 by h. If you multiply, you get back the same thing. Here also same, if I take e power 1 by h common, it is 1 plus e to the power of minus 1 by h. This will cancel. Alright, now h is tending to 0. So equal to 1 minus e power minus infinity divided by 1 plus e power minus infinity, which is equal to 1 minus 0 by 1 plus 0, which is equal to plus 1. So the question is, what is right hand limit and left hand limit? I'm getting right hand limit is equal to plus 1 and left hand limit is equal to minus 1. So answer is minus 1 and plus 1. Sorry, plus 1 and minus 1. Answer is option D. Let's move to the next question. 2 power x plus 2 power y is equal to 2 power x plus y. What is dy by dx? See, actually, this is a standard result. You can prove it as well. A power x plus a power y. See, if I prove this problem, suppose I can write this as 2 power x plus 2 power y whole divided by 2 power x plus y is equal to 1. Right, so this can be written as 2 power x divided by 2 power x plus y plus 2 power y divided by 2 power x plus y is equal to 1. This is 2 power x. This is 2 power x into 2 power y plus 2 to the power of y, and 2 power x into 2 power y is equal to 1. Okay, I'm going to cancel 2 power x, cancel 2 power y. If I shift to numerator, this is 2 to the power of minus y plus 2 to the power of minus x is equal to 1. Now if I differentiate, 2 power minus y is 2 power minus y into minus dy by dx. 2 power minus x is 2 power minus x. Differentiation of minus x is minus 1. Differentiation of 1 is 0. Minus 2 power minus y into dy by dx. Right side if you shift, you get 2 power minus x. From this, dy by dx is equal to minus of 2 power minus x divided by 2 power minus y. This will be minus of shift to numerator 2 power y into 2 power minus x Okay, powers are added. Is equal to minus 2 to the power of y minus x. Minus 2 power y minus x, answer is option D. See, actually it's a standard result. When you have suppose a power x plus a power y, a power x plus a power y is equal to a power x plus y, then dy by dx is equal to minus a to the power of y minus x. Alright, if you have suppose e power x plus e power y is equal to e power x plus y, then dy by dx is always equal to minus e to the power of y minus x. Alright, now same logic. Just now we proved 2 power x plus 2 power y is 2 to the power of x plus y. Then dy by dx is always minus 2 to the power of y minus x. Alright, so use this result, you will get the answer. Let's move to the next question. Again 2020 problem. The differentiation changes based on the domain. 2 tan inverse of x is equal to sine inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. This is applicable when x lies between minus 1 and plus 1. This will be pi minus sine inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square when x is greater than 1. Pi minus sine inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square when x is less than minus 1. So if I use this result, if x is more than 1, because root 3 is more than 1, 2 tan inverse of x okay, 2 tan inverse of x is equal to pi minus sine inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square if x is more than 1. If you shift on the left side, you get sine inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square is equal to pi minus 2 tan inverse of x. Right, now this fellow fx is equal to pi minus fx is equal to pi minus 2 tan inverse of x, because I'm supposed to find the differentiation at root 3. F dash of x is equal to differentiation of pi is 0, differentiation of tan inverse of x is 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay, now f dash of root 3 will be minus 2 divided by 1 plus root 3 the whole square. This is minus 2 divided by 4, which is equal to minus half. Answer is option C. Okay, even this is 2020 question. If I take log on both the sides, you get log of xy whole power y is equal to log of e power x. Okay, log m power n is n log m, right? This is y into log of xy. Y into log of x into y is equal to log m power n is n log m. You will get this as x into log e. Right, log e is 1. Y into a bracket log m into n is log m plus log n is equal to x into log e is 1. Okay, this is equal to x, and then into log e is 1. Y into log x and log e is 1 is equal to x. And from this, what's the value of y? From this, y is equal to x divided by log x plus 1. Right, now if I use the quotient rule, dy by dx is equal to, use u by v. This is v into u dash minus u into v dash divided by v square, that is log x plus 1 the whole square. This will cancel. You will get log x, okay, plus 1 minus 1 divided by log x plus 1 the whole square. This will cancel. Okay, what's left out? Log x divided by log x plus 1, and this is whole square. Answer is option C. Alright, question number 68. Again, this is 2020 paper. Y is equal to 2x, 2 into x to the power of n plus 1 plus 3 into x to the power of minus n. You call equation 1. Now if I differentiate once, dy by dx is equal to 2 into n plus 1 into x to the power of n. X power minus n is minus 3, n into x to the power of x power n is nx power n minus 1, right? So this is minus n x to the power of minus n minus 1. Okay, if I differentiate once again, I can write this as d square y upon dx square is equal to 2 into n plus 1. Differentiation of x power n is nx power n minus 1 minus 3n, and then you get minus n minus 1 x to the power of minus n minus 2. Alright, now d square y upon dx square is equal to 2n into n plus 1 into x to the power of n minus 1, minus n minus is plus 3n into n plus 1 x to the power of minus n minus 2. Now if you multiply by x square, because I want x square into double derivative, right? If I multiply by x square, if you multiply throughout by x square, you will get x square into d square y upon dx square is equal to 2n into n plus 1 x to the power of n minus 1 into x square plus 3n into n plus 1 x to the power of minus n minus 2 into x square. Now x square into d square y upon dx square is equal to 2n into n plus 1 x to the power of n plus 1 plus 3n into n plus 1 into x to the power of minus n, because powers are added. Minus n minus 2 plus x square is x power n. This is from, if I take suppose x square into d square y upon dx square is equal to n into n plus 1 common. Left out is 2 into x to the power of n plus 1 plus this is 3 into x to the power of minus n. From equation 1, if I use from equation 1, you get x square into d square y upon dx square is equal to n into n plus 1. Okay, and then this is same as from equation 1, this is same as y. So answer is option D, n into n plus 1 into y. 2020 question. Okay, question number 69. Mod x is equal to x when x is positive, minus x when x is negative. At x is equal to 2 pi by 3, 2 pi by 3 second quadrant, cos will be negative. And 2 pi by 3 second quadrant, sine will be positive. you get y is equal to minus cos x. Okay, and then this is plus sin x. Now if I differentiate, dy by dx is equal to differentiation of minus cos is plus sin, and differentiation of sin is plus cos. This is dy by dx. Okay, now if I substitute dy by dx when x is equal to 2 pi by 3, this is equal to sine of 2 pi by 3, okay, plus cos of 2 pi by 3. Sine 120 is root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is equal to cos 120 is minus half. So this is equal to root 3 minus 1. Half of root 3 minus 1. Answer is option C. Question number 70. See, again this is standard result. If you have suppose like this, f of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y, then f dash of x is always equal to f of x into f dash of 0. Okay, now f of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y. I'm supposed to find out what is f dash of 5. F dash of 5 is equal to f of 5 into f dash of 0. F dash of 5 is 2, f dash of 0 is 3. Answer will be equal to plus 6. Right? Question number 71. Log of log x base x square. These are COMEDK questions. See, I'll use change of base formula. Log n to the base a can be written as log n by log a, right? So f of x is equal to log of log x base x square can be written as log of log x divided by log x square. Okay, now fx is equal to, this is log of log x. Log of log x square can be written as 2 log x. Okay, now if I use the quotient rule, f dash of x is equal to, half is a constant I'll take outside, and then we'll use u by v. This is v into u dash. Log of log x is 1 by log x, and differentiation of log x is 1 by x. This is v into u dash minus u is log of log x, okay, into v dash. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x by v square, that is log x the whole square. So this fellow will cancel. Now if I substitute f dash of, I'm supposed to find out what is f dash of e. Okay, f dash of e is equal to, you get 1 upon 2. This is 1 by e minus, this is log of log e. Log of log e, and then into 1 by e divided by log e the whole square. Okay, so this is 1 upon 2. You will get 1 by e minus log e is 1 into 1 by e divided by log e is 1. 1 square is 1 only. So log 1 to any base is 0. You will get the answer as 1 by 2 e. Last option D. Okay, question number 72. X tends to infinity, you get infinity minus infinity. I'll write limit x is tending to infinity. Okay, let us rationalize this. Root of a square x square plus bx plus 1 minus ax. Alright, now if I rationalize this, it will be root of a square plus x square plus bx plus 1, okay, plus ax whole divided by same. That's equal to root of a square x square plus bx plus 1 and then plus ax. I'm just rationalizing this. Okay, now this is equal to limit x is tending to infinity. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Root of a square x square plus bx plus 1, this is whole square. Minus this is a square x square whole divided by root of a square x square plus bx plus 1. Okay, and then plus ax. Now numerator root and square cancels. I'll get limit x is tending to infinity. Limit x is tending to infinity. This can be written as a square x square plus bx plus 1 minus a square x square whole divided by, this is root of a square x square plus bx plus 1. Okay, and then plus ax. This will cancel. Alright, limit x is tending to infinity of, if I take x common, you will get this as b plus 1 by x whole divided by under the root. If I take x square common, this is equal to a square. This is a square plus bx by x square plus 1 by x square plus this is ax. Okay, limit x is tending to infinity of x into b plus 1 by x whole divided by x outside the root is x. X square is under the root. X square outside the root is x. This is a square plus b by x plus 1 by x square plus ax. Right, you take x square x common and cancel that x. This is limit x is tending to infinity of x into b plus 1 upon x whole divided by, take x completely out, root of a square plus b by x plus 1 by x square plus a. This x will cancel with x. Now if x is tending to infinity, 1 by x will tend to 0. Okay, now this is equal to b plus 0 divided by root of a square plus 0 plus 0 plus a. B divided by root of a square is a plus a. I'll get this as b by 2a. That is first option. Okay, question number 73. X is tending to 0, you get 0 by 0 form. Alright, let us use the L'Hopital's rule. Limit x is tending to 0. We'll use u into b, L'Hopital's rule in the numerator. This is u into v dash. Differentiation of a power x is a power x into log a to the base c. So first u into v dash plus v into u dash, and differentiation of x is 1 whole divided by differentiation of 1 is 0, cos x is minus sin x. This is 0 by 0 form again. We'll use L'Hopital's rule once again. This is limit x is tending to 0. Okay, log a is a constant, I'll keep as it is. Now use the product rule. This is u into v dash, a power x into log a to the base c. U into v dash, log a I took out, I'm using product rule for x into a power x. U into v dash plus v is a power x, and differentiation of x is 1. Differentiation of a power x is a power x into log a to the base c. Differentiation of 1 is 0, and differentiation of sin x is cos x. Okay, now if x is tending to 0, you will get this as log a. This is 0 plus a power 0 is 1. A power 0 is 1 into log a whole divided by cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. Numerator log a plus log a is 2 log a. Alright, answer is option C. Question number 74. y equal to tan x, what will be d square y by dx square in terms of y? You call equation 1 dy by dx is equal to differentiation of tan x is sec square x. Okay, dy by dx is equal to differentiation of sec square x can be written as 1 plus tan square x. Now dy by dx is equal to 1 plus tan x is equal to y, right? So this becomes y square. Okay, if I differentiate once again, d square y by dx square, differentiation of 1 is 0, differentiation of y dash is 2y into dy by dx. Now if I substitute the value of dy by dx, this is d square y upon dx square is equal to 2y. Substitute the value of dy by dx, this is 1 plus y square. Okay, this is from equation 1. Answer will be option B. Alright, now this is of the form tan inverse of x minus y divided by 1 plus xy. Right, formula will be equal to okay, so this is of the form tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y. Alright, now y is equal to this is tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y. Now if I differentiate, tan inverse of a is a constant, right? It is 0. Differentiation of tan inverse of x is 1 by 1 plus x square. So first of minus 1 by 1 plus x square, right? Answer is option C. Tan inverse of a is a constant, that's why it is 0. Okay, now see box x plus box of minus x. Okay, box of minus x will be equal to minus box x if x is an integer, and box of minus x will be minus box x minus 1 if x is not an integer. Now this fx is equal to, this is k, right, when x is equal to 2, and then this is box x, and box of minus x is minus box x minus 1, and if x is not an integer, this will cancel. Okay, fx is equal to minus 1 when x is not equal to 2, and then this is equal to k when x is equal to 2. This is the fx. Right, now the function is continuous at 2, right? Function is continuous at 2 means limit x is tending to 2, f of x is equal to f of 2. So if I substitute here, this is limit x is tending to 2, fx is equal to minus 1 and f of 2 is equal to k. Limit x tends to 2 of minus 1 is minus 1 only, so minus 1 equal to k. Answer is option C. Okay, now see, when you have suppose like this, we did the questions previous year papers we have done. When you have suppose limit x tends to a f of x whole power g of x, then the formula will be equal to e to the power of limit x tends to a, right, fx minus 1 into g, and then this is of the form 1 per infinity. Now this is fx 3x minus 1 is gx. Formula is e to the power of limit x tends to infinity fx minus 1, that is 1 minus 4 divided by x minus 1, fx minus 1 into gx, that is 3x minus 1. This will cancel. E to the power of limit x is tending to infinity minus 4 into 3x minus 1 whole divided by x minus 1. Alright, either you use L'Hopital's rule, or I can write this as e to the power of limit x tends to infinity minus x if I take common. This is 4, right? If I take x common, it is 3 minus 1 by x. Take x common, you get 1 minus 1 by x. This x will cancel with x. Now if x is tending to infinity, 1 by x will tend to 0. This is e to the power of minus 4 into 3 minus 0 divided by 1 minus 0. Answer is e power minus 12. You understand, guys? Same level, 1 power infinity f power gx uses formula. We have done this similar questions in previous year papers as well. Okay, question number 78. Y equal to tan inverse of C can be written as 1 by cos and tan can be written as sin by cos. Okay, now y is equal to tan inverse of 1 minus sin x divided by cos x. Right, now y is equal to tan inverse of sin x can be written as cos of 90 minus x and cos x can be written as sin of 90 minus x. Y is equal to tan inverse of 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2. So this is 2 sin square of pi by 4 minus x by 2. Okay, and then sin x can be written as 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. Cos of pi by 4 minus x by 2. 2 will cancel with 2. The sin will cancel with the square. Y equal to tan inverse of numerator is sin pi by 4 minus x by 2 whole divided by cos of pi by 4 minus x by 2. Sin by cos is tan. You get tan of pi by 4 minus x by 2. Tan inverse of tan x is x, right? You will get this as pi by 4 minus x by 2. Now if I differentiate, differentiation of pi by 4 is 0, right? And differentiation of x is 1, you get minus half. Answer is option D. Okay, question number 79. Function is continuous at 0, find the value of k. Limit x is tending to 0, f of x is equal to f of 0. This is given. Alright, now limit x is tending to 0, fx is equal to 1 minus cos x upon x upon x is equal to f of 0 as k. Now if I use the L'Hopital's rule, okay, this is actually 0 by 0 form. If I use L'Hopital's rule, this is limit x is tending to 0. Differentiation of 1 is 0, differentiation of minus cos is plus sine, and differentiation of x is 1 is equal to k. X is tending to 0, you get sine 0 is equal to k, so k is equal to 0. Right, answer is option A. Okay, what is double derivative in terms of x? You call equation 1. If I differentiate once, dx by dt is equal to a times differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, right? Minus 4 sin 40. And differentiation of cos sin 40 will be equal to 4 cos 40. So this is equal to b4, and then you get cos 40. Right, now if I differentiate once again, d square x by dt square is equal to minus a, 4 into 4 is 16, differentiation of sin 40 is 4 cos 40, and differentiation of cos is minus sin. This is 16b and then sin 40. I'm going to take 16 common, minus 16 common. This is a cos a cos 40 plus b into sin 40. Okay, this is from equation 1 x, right? So this is minus 16x. That's the answer. Answer is option A. Alright, question number 81. If I differentiate this, dy by dx is equal to differentiation of log x is 1 by x, right? So log of tan x is 1 by tan x. 1 by tan x, differentiation of tan x is sec square x. So this is sec square of pi by 4 plus x by 2. And differentiation of pi by 4 is 0, differentiation of x by 2 is 1 by 2. 1 by tan is equal to cot. This is cot of pi by 4 plus x by 2. Okay, and then this is sec square of pi by 4 plus x by 2, and then you get half. Cot can be written as cos by sine. This is equal to cos of pi by 4 plus x by 2. This is cos by sine. This will be equal to sine of pi by 4 plus x by 2. And 1 by this is cos square of pi by 4 plus x by 2. And then you get half. This cos will cancel with the square. Okay, now this equal to dy by dx is equal to 1 divided by 2 times the sine of pi by 4 plus x by 2 and cos of pi by 4 plus x by 2. This is 1 upon, this is of the form 2 sin x into cos x, which is equal to sin 2x. Okay, now 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x, sin 2 into pi by 4 plus x by 2. 1 divided by sine of, if you multiply by 2, you get pi by 2 plus x. Sine of 90 plus x is equal to cos x, and 1 by cos is sec. Answer is option A. Good question. Right, question number 82. See, when you have under the root 1 minus x by 1 plus x, or under the root 1 plus x by 1 minus x, you put x is equal to cos theta. Right, now you have under the root 1 minus x square 1 plus x square. I'm going to substitute x square is equal to cos theta. Y is equal to sine square of and tan inverse of root of 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. Y is equal to sine square of, this is tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. and 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. Okay, y is equal to sine square of, this is tan inverse of 2 and 2 cancels, root of tan square theta by 2, which is tan theta by 2. Okay, tan y is equal to sine square of tan inverse of tan theta by 2 is theta by 2. Sine square theta by 2 is 1 minus cos theta divided by 2, half angle formula. Okay, now if I substitute, this is y is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, cos theta is x square whole divided by 2. dy by dx is equal to, half is a constant, differentiation of 1 is 0, differentiation of x square is 2x. 2 and 2 cancels, you will get this as minus x. Answer is option B. Alright, question number 83. Don't differentiate directly. Alright, if I square on both sides, you will get root of x by y plus root of y by x the whole square. Root and square cancels, you get a. So this is a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 into root of x by y, root of y by x is equal to a. This is x by y plus y by x plus 2. This will get cancelled. Root x by y by x will cancel. You will get a. Now if I differentiate with respect to x, alright, I'll use u by v. This is v into u dash minus u into v dash divided by v square. Again v into u dash minus u into v dash divided by v square is equal to 0. Y minus x into dy by dx whole divided by y square is equal to minus of x into dy by dx minus y divided by x square. Alright, now if I cross multiply, you will get x square into y minus x cube into dy by dx is equal to minus x into y square into dy by dx. Minus and minus is plus, this is y cube. Alright, now if I do the grouping, this is x square into y minus y cube is equal to x cube into dy by dx minus x into y square into dy by dx. If I take suppose y common, it is x square minus y square. Even here if I take suppose x square common, x into dy by dx common. X into dy by dx common, this will be equal to x square minus y square. This will cancel. Okay, from this y by x is equal to dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to y by x. Answer is option B. Right, let's move to next question. If I use u by v here, dx by dt is equal to, this is v into u dash minus u into v dash divided by v square. This is minus 1 minus t, then minus 1 plus t by 1 plus t the whole square. Right, minus t plus t will cancel. You will get this as minus 2 divided by 1 plus t the whole square. Right, now if I differentiate this, dy by dt is equal to, denominator is 1 plus t, differentiation of numerator is 2, minus numerator, differentiation of denominator the whole square is 1 plus t the whole square. 2 plus 2t minus 2t divided by 1 plus t the whole square. This will cancel. 2 divided by 1 plus t the whole square. Okay, now if I divide this, dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. dy by dt is 2 divided by 1 plus t the whole square. Dx by dt is minus 2 divided by 1 plus t the whole square. Both will cancel, you get minus 1. Let's do one more question. The function is continuous at 0. Limit x is tending to 0. F of x is equal to f of 0. I will write limit x is tending to 0. Okay, fx is e power 3x minus 1 whole divided by 4x. F of 0, if I directly substitute 0 here, you will get k plus 0 by 4. This is 0 by 0 form. Limit x is tending to 0. 3 e power 3x. Differentiation of 4x is 4 is equal to k by 4. This 4 and 4 cancels. X is tending to 0. 3 e power 0 is equal to k. So k is equal to 3. Answer is option B. Right. So I'll stop here, guys. I'll continue with the question from question number 86 in my next part. All right. So please do watch, like, and share my video, guys. Thank you. Thanks for joining.